Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we have created the repeat function and the autoplay function. Now in this video, we are going to see how to shuffle the song in the list box. So let's code this. So we will create the shuffle function here. So let's create this def shuffle songs. Now what we need to do is delete all the songs from the list box. But before that, we need to store all the songs in a variable. So let's do this. Songs list equals to list of self.songs list.get. We need to get all the songs from 0th index to the end. Now this will store all the songs in this songs list. So it will be in inverted comma, double quotes. Now we need to delete the song from the songs list. So self.songs list.delete. We need to delete from the 0th index 0 to the end. Here we also need to specify 0 in the double quotes. Now since all the songs are stored in this songs list, we need to change their order randomly. So for that we need to import one module random, and we need to use its one function, that is random.shuffle, and here we will provide the list that we want to shuffle, that is songs list. Now we don't need to store this in a variable because this will make changes in the original list. Now after shuffling the song, we still need to have that song that was selected before, that was active. So before deleting it, we need to store that in a variable. So song name equals to self.songs list.get active. Now when we store this songs list in the playlist, we will check for this song. If it is present, then we will activate that. So for I comma song enumerate, and it will be songs list. We are using enumerate so that we can track the index of each song in this list. Now we will insert this song self.songs list.insert, and it will be inserted at ith index, and the song will be song. Now we will check if the song is same as the song name, that is this one. If it is true, then we will select this self.songs list.selection set, and here we will provide the index of the song, that is I, and we will also activate this. So self.songs list.activate, and the index will be I. Now it's done, and we will just update the songs list. Self.songs list.update. So our shuffle song function is completed. Now we need to add this function to the command parameter of the shuffle button. So let's do this. So shuffle button is here. Here we will provide the self.shuffle songs. So it's done. So let's run the code and see if it's working or not. So let's add the song here, and as you can see, the song that is selected currently is Ben Sound Creative Minds. Now if I shuffle it, you can see the order is changed, but still the one that was selected way before, it's still selected. So our shuffle is working really fine. Now in the next video, we are going to see how to delete the songs from the playlist. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next one. Bye bye.